What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we have a Honda generator and we suspect that there is a bad fuel cap on it. What it's doing is it's running for about 3 minutes and it'll start surging and then die out. So we're gonna test this today. We have to take off the cover here, get down to the fuel line, and we'll give her some testing here. So we'll take off the cover. Alright, so what we have to do is pull off the fuel line, run it into this glass jar that we got, and if we're correct, it'll stop filling up the jar. So let's take that fuel line off. Alright, and what we're going to do, we're going to pull this fuel line off, and if we're correct, the flow is going to slow down. See how the flow slowed down all the way to just a trickle? Now watch when I open up the fuel cap. Now what that's telling us that the fuel cap is not allowing enough air to enter the tank, thus vacuum locking the system. So that's why when we're running the machine, it only runs for 3 to 5 minutes and then it'll start surging and die out because it's literally running out of fuel. Just a little quick tip for you guys today. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you liked it, if you thought it was helpful. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. So how we're gonna test this is we're gonna start the machine up, and once it starts surging, we're going to crack the cap and see if it levels off. And if it does level off, there's a good possibility that it's the cap. And this is another means of testing the unit. You can hear it surge. It's starting to run out of fuel. And then watch as I crack the cap and it'll stop surging. Gas cap's bad. And now another possibility that it could be, if that didn't solve your issue, sometimes I see once the coils start heating up, you'll actually lose spark. So you'll have to get an inline spark tester to put on there and check that. But typically if the machine runs for 3 to 5 minutes and dies, it's either the gas cap or the coil. Hope this helped.